In this quick video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your GMC Sierra key fob. As you saw in the thumbnail, there are a couple different versions of this device, different numbers of buttons, different layouts. It doesn't matter which one you have, they are all the same device, and the battery inside is the same, and the process to open them and change that battery is the same as well. So you can just follow along with this video and we will get a new battery in your device in under 5 minutes. The whole process is super easy. The only things you'll need to get it done are a coin or a flathead screwdriver, whichever one you have lying around, either one will do. And of course you will need your battery, which is, for this device, a CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of these lying around, go check out the link in the description. That first link will take you over to Amazon, where you can find these batteries for just a few bucks. And then once you have your battery and your tool, you can just jump right into this. Down on the bottom right of your device, you can see there's an indentation. It's right next to where the key ring attaches and right along the seam. Right there is where we are going to put our coin or flathead and just wiggle it in there and twist. You can see how easy that is. The device will crack right open, giving us access to the battery. From here, you can just pull it out with your fingers. See if I can get it out. There we go. Can be a little bit tricky if you don't have any fingernails, but otherwise you'll just grab something like a flathead. If you use the flathead, this is a good time to also get the battery out. You could also use another car key or even a pen or pencil. We just want something that can go under the battery and pry it up. And you can see right here, this dark spot. It's actually a little indentation that helps us to slide under the battery and just lift it right out. Go ahead and dispose of your old battery once you've got it out of there, and grab your new CR2032. And when you're putting your new battery in, you want to make sure that this positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing down. So you will just click the battery back into its housing, positive side down. And all we need to do now is just click these two halves back together. So just give it a squeeze, and just like that, you have a new battery in there, and you should be covered with that battery for years, and hopefully you saved a little bit of money doing it yourself at home. So I hope this was helpful for you. If it was, feel free to give this video a like, or you can tell me about it in the comment section. We love to hear from you all and get your feedback. And remember, if you ever need if you need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel. We have you covered with tutorials just like this one for the key fobs for almost every make and model out there. And you can also get that information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.